Alright, so this is how we're gonna get this mug cracking. We bored, we ain't got nothing to do. So we about to like do a little video, you know, cause we got nothing else to do. Like I already said before, right? We bored. Say hi to Neat. Hi Punk. How you doing, Punk? Say hi, Punk. Hi. Yeah. Oh no, bad girl. She just flipped off, but y'all ain't see that, you know. But we got nothing else to do. Haven't said that 5 times now, maybe 4 if I'm lucky. But we want to make a video, but we don't know what we should make a video of. Cause we make videos all the time about nothing, so we need to make a video about something this time. But we don't know. So hit us back up. Hit us back up.
What that music thing is?
I think we about to make a music video. I'll catch you on the next clip.